These guys do have all their riot gear out other than the shields, but they got the helmets, they got the zip ties, they have the batons, and then on my other side we have this. How's it going, guys? Today we are at the Placita Olvera at the immigration reform rally to protest what's going on with the mass deportations that Trump has put in order. It's still the very beginning and there's already at least 1,000 people behind me. I really want you guys to tune in. If you can do me a favor, check this video all the way. I'm gonna be interviewing a lot of people that have been affected, and there's gonna be a lot of useful information to let you guys know what's really going on. Enjoy this video. It's gonna be a good one, guys. Where are you from, Anthony?
I'm from El Salvador.
El Salvador. And what about out here? Where do you stay?
Chinatown.
Oh, you're right here? Nice, bro. So what does this protest mean to you today, bro?
I guess I'm deeply affected because I was illegal at one point. And I lived through the 90s where we had Proposition 187. And even though I was a little kid, I knew what it was.
Yeah.
And it sucks that we're reliving history again
That's how I feel.
with a different administration. So this is great that we come out here and voice our opinions. But yeah, it means everything.
Cool,
I
bro.
think this is everybody's land.
Definitely. I agree with you 100%, brother. Thank you so much for your
course,
time,
yeah.
bro. Thank you, bro.
Y el que nace en Europa es europeo. Y el que nace en el África, africano. Que América es todo el continente. Y el que nace aquí es americano.
What's your names?
I'm Art, and that's Terry.
Art, Terry. Nice to meet you guys. Where are you coming from?
El Cerrito.
El Sereno.
Yeah.
Nice. Tell me, what are your emotions or what do you feel toward the protest today?
Oh, it's great. What a great pouring of people out here. It's beautiful. It's going to work. We're not going anywhere.
People are here to stay.
So much going on right now, guys. It's been really hard to speak to the mic even. This thing is a lot bigger than what I had expected. I mean, I knew it was going to be big, but from the clips you guys may have seen by now, it's even that much bigger. And I'm very speechless. This is something bigger than a protest. I don't know what the word is. The Latinos, the Hispanics, the Mexicans, Salvadorians, gente de Honduras, and the Guatemalans have literally shut the city down. And you know what? I'm proud. I'm happy. There's been no accidents. We aren't causing anybody trouble. Yes, we're loud. Yes, we love loud cars. Yes, we love loud music, but this hasn't been anything but a peaceful protest. Let me just keep walking you guys around to show you what's going on, because it's honestly very beautiful to finally see our people standing up for our people. I think before this point, everybody, including myself, had been very quiet. And I don't mean about what's going on with Donald Trump now. I mean about what has happened with our race in the past. But I think this time is different. Everybody decided to speak up. Everybody woke up. We are everywhere. We are all over the city right now. And I am happy. I'm glad that we finally found a reason to all come together, man. It's beautiful, you guys. It's beautiful. I have no other words, but let's keep going.
This is Alaskan Leather Company, where craftsmanship meets luxury in every stitch. At Alaskan Leather, they are proud to offer 100% real leather products meticulously designed for style, durability, and functionality. Whether you're looking for a bag like mine for your daily commute, a stylish leather jacket for those chilly nights, or any other leather accessory, they've got you covered. Their collection is diverse, allowing you to find the perfect piece for every occasion. Each product is handcrafted with care, using only the finest leather to ensure it lasts a lifetime. And Alaskan stands by their products with a 1-year warranty, giving you peace of mind with every purchase. Whether it's a gift for a loved one or something for yourself, you can trust that their leather goods will stand the test of time. And if you're looking for something truly unique, they specialize in bringing custom leather designs to life, whether it's a special bag or a one-of-a-kind jacket. No design is too big or too small for them to craft. Discover the world of Alaskan Leather today by tapping the link in the description and get a special discount when you use my code BENNY10. Thank you all. Let's get back to the video.
How many people there is, yeah. And there's way more people over there. There's more people over there. There's more people back there. And then obviously down there now. If you're driving a car in LA right now, there's no way you're getting around. This may seem very extreme to some people, but we needed this. Mexican needed this, Salvadorians needed this, Guatemalans, Honduras, everybody, all the Latinos and Hispanics needed this, man. We needed this day to take over LA. He really got everybody mad this time. I've never seen or felt anything like this. Not from our ethnicity, not from our race. Never felt anything like this before, man. I was so close to getting teary-eyed. I was getting teary-eyed earlier. I've never seen us come together like this for anything. For anything. And that's saying something, you guys. That's saying something, because if you know, when Mexicans get together, Hispanics, Latinos, all the different countries, Central America, it's something huge. And this is the biggest thing I've ever been a part of, and I feel very fucking proud to be here, man. You can see how proud I feel right now. I can't believe, I'm speechless. And I was over here wondering how everybody got onto the freeway. I think I found my way down. these guys do have all their riot gear out other than the shields, but they got the helmets, they got the zip ties, they have the batons, and then on my other side we have this. More people are making their way down the ramp right now. Let's just hope it doesn't come down to anything violent. Alright guys, so this girl in the white shirt and a couple of other people have been pretty good at rounding up everybody to get out of here. The word is everybody's going to City Hall. Good job, good job, good job. Everybody's leaving, everybody's getting out of here, thankfully. So these girls here just saved the entire rally. Things were starting to look like they were gonna get out of hand, and these girls literally handled the entire protest, the entire rally, and got everybody off of the freeway and avoided any violence. How's it going, brother? What's your name?
Good. Elton.
Elton, nice to meet you, bro.
Nice to meet you too, man.
Question for you, man.
Yeah.
Who are you here for today?
I'm here for the culture, man. For everybody. For those that don't have a voice, those that are undocumented, immigrants. I come from immigrant parents, so I'm here to show support. This is just like a throwback from 2006 when there was La Gran Marcha. I was 7 years old, so to be here, you get what I'm saying, to be able to speak out for those that don't have a voice, hey man, let's unite.
Yeah, bro, let's go Guatemala. My dad's Guatemalan too.
Yeah,
Nice to meet you, man. I appreciate your time, brother. Thank you.
Yep.
What does this protest mean to you guys today?
It means reformation, change, and acceptance of our people.
And where are you guys coming from?
We're coming from the San Fernando Valley.
San Fernando Valley? Hell yeah, guys. Thank you guys so much for the question. Have a good one. ¿Para quién está usted aquí hoy?
Estamos haciendo una protesta pacífica a favor de los derechos de toda la comunidad latina, ya que se han visto afectados y vulnerados los derechos con la nueva administración y más que nada hacer conciencia de que pues nadie es ilegal en tierras robadas. Otra cosa, pues no cruzamos la frontera nos cruzó.
Es muy cierto,
Aquí estamos apoyando pacíficos, pero también demostrando que no nos intimidan ni tenemos miedo de apoyar causas justas. Ya no estamos haciendo daño a nadie, solo estamos trabajando por nuestras familias y construyendo este país a la vez que ayudamos a nuestras familias en México, en toda Latinoamérica.
Así es.
Pues, pedirle más que nada al presidente que sea un poquito más consciente de la situación. No somos asesinos, violadores, ni nada de eso. Solo gente ahorrada que quiere trabajar y superarse de una forma ordenada.
Sí,
Ya.
es muy
Más que nada
cierto,
es eso.
compa. Ok, muchas gracias por su tiempo,
Nada.
Gracias.
Gracias.